and you already know how to say that a monomial is similar or are similar or not. How do we say that two monomials are similar or not? Talk. Talk.
ครับ
How do we say that two monomials are similar or not?
similar
Yes. How do we say?
เอ่อเอ่อเอ่อ similar how to say วะ
Yes. How to say that two monomials are similar or not?
yes it's similar
I mean how? How to say if they have the same what?
they have a
The same.
similar
ไม่ใช่ the same what? The same. What do you call the letters here, Talk? The letters. X, Y. X, Y. What do you call that? Varialay. Ba?
for 7xy and 9yx is similar it's same
Yes. Yes, they are the same. Why? Because they have
because they have x and y
X and Y. What do you call X and Y?
have number and x and y เหรอ
Yeah, the X and Y. What do you call that? Coefficient, variable, or exponent?
เอ่อ
X
variable
and variable, yes. So you can say that two monomials are similar if they have the same variables and the same exponent. All right? They have the same variable and the same exponent. So here we discussed, we give more examples last time and you answered it correctly. So today we are going to start with our new topic, which is about adding and subtracting monomials. So this is our topic for today. And we have rules to follow in adding and subtracting monomials. And also, you are going to use your knowledge about similar monomials in this topic. Why? Because you can only add and subtract monomials if they are similar monomials. If they are not similar, you cannot add or you cannot subtract these monomials. And again, when we say similar monomials, they have the same variable or variables and exponents. All right, can you give me one example of similar monomials, Ramida?
2x less
2x.
2
And what? Similar monomials.
And 3x less 2
Yeah, so these two monomials are similar because they have the same variable x and the same exponent too. How about if I will write here 3x squared y cubed and negative 2x cubed y squared. Are they similar or not?
not
Not. Why?
because exponent not same.
Not the same. The exponents are not the same. They have the same variable, yes, x and y, but their exponents are not the same. So they are not similar monomial. So not. Okay? To add two or more monomials that are similar, these are the steps that you need to follow. You need to add the coefficients, keep the variables and exponents the same. When you say keep, meaning you are just going to copy the variables and its exponents. Do not add the exponents or do not subtract the exponents, but you are just going to copy. Only the coefficients you are going to add or subtract. For example, 3x plus 11x. So they are similar because they have the same variable, x, x. They also have the same coefficient. No, I mean exponent, which is 1 and 1. So they are similar. So again, when you add monomials, you need to add first the coefficient. So combine 3 and 11 because we are adding 3 plus 11, and then keep or copy the variables and exponents. So you just need to copy x because they are similar. And get the sum. 3 plus 11 is 14, and copy the variables and its exponents. So your answer is 14x. Do you understand? Follow?
Yes.
Yes, all right. Another example. We have negative 5a squared b plus 19a squared b. So they are similar because we have a squared b, a squared b. If we are going to follow the rules in adding monomials, add the coefficient. We have negative 5 plus 19. And then copy the variable and the exponent. So what is negative 5 plus 19?
14.
14. So your answer will be 14a squared b. Do you understand?
Yes.
Right? Another example, we have negative 17p squared q cubed plus we have negative 15p squared q cubed. Using the rules, who can answer or who can give me the final answer?
Negative 32
Mhm.
p cube q.
All right. Very good. Q cubed. So negative 17 plus negative 15, and then copy, and then your answer will be negative 32. Very good. So negative 32 p squared q cubed. Everybody do not say p2. Okay, p2 is not correct. That is p squared or p to the power of 2 or p raised to the second power. But do not say p2 or q3. Just p squared q cubed. All right. Let's have more examples. Okay, we have two or more monomials here. Example 1, this is 2 or more. Because sometimes you will be asked to add 4 monomials, 3 monomials, or more than 4 monomials. You will just do the same rules, or you just need to follow the same rules. So we have negative 9xy squared plus 11xy squared plus negative 3xy squared. So first thing that you need to do is to combine the coefficients. So we have negative 9 plus 11 plus negative 3. And then you are going to copy the variables and its exponent, which is x, y squared. Okay, if you are going to step by step add the numbers, what is negative 9 plus 11?
3.
Okay, that is 3. 3 plus negative 3.
0.
0. All right. So if it is 0, what will be your final answer?
XY.
Any number or letter multiplied by 0 is equal to? Oh, my child. This is not 3. Negative 9 plus 11, sorry. Negative 9 plus 11, Talay?
2.
2.
2. I'm sorry for that. So 0, this is not 0, rather what?
Negative 1.
Correct. So negative 1. So what will be your answer here? This will be negative 1 and then copy xy. And we do not put 1 or negative 1 in front of the variables, but we are just going to write negative xy squared. Kajay Mai, do you understand? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Again, students, remember, if there are more than 2 monomials, all you need to do is to combine all the coefficient and copy the variable and its exponent. So if you cannot combine easily, step by step, negative 9 plus 11 is 2, plus negative 3, that is negative 1. If the number or the coefficient is 1, we do not put 1. Rather, just put negative xy squared. And therefore, negative 9xy squared plus 11xy squared plus negative 3xy squared is equal to, write your answer at the end, negative xy squared. That is example number 1. Another example, we have 4 monomials. Okay, who can answer this? Example 2. Muchi.
Yes.
Muchi, okay, follow the steps here in example 1. What will be our next step? Is equal to?
Is equal to
15.
15 plus negative 9 plus 6 negative 6 plus 7.
All right, and then copy. Copy what?
Copy A to B.
Okay, and then let's answer this one step by step. What is 15 plus negative 9?
7.
Okay, plus negative 9 is equal to?
7.
Is it 7?
No,
Is
6.
it 7?
6.
Okay, 6. Next, 6 plus negative 6. Taulay?
0.
0. 0 plus 7. Like?
0 plus
Is it
7. 7.
is equal to
7.
7. All right, so this is equal to 7. And then copy what? Copy
Copy pass
A.
A to B.
Okay, so therefore, your answer is 7a squared b. So put period here. All right. Do you understand, everybody? Understand?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. All right. Next, let's proceed to subtraction. That is addition. So in subtraction, you will do the same, but you will just change the operation. So to subtract two or more monomials that are similar, remember, are similar, just subtract the coefficient and keep or copy the variables and exponents the same. You don't need to do anything with the variables and the exponent. Copy and then subtract the coefficient. So we have here some rules. If you have two positive, numbers to be subtracted, A minus B. So the rule is you need to change the sign, the subtraction sign to positive or plus, plus, and change the sign of the subtrahend, this one. So positive B will become negative B. And then you change minus to plus. Next, if the subtrahend, the second number is negative. So negative times negative, this is positive. So this will become A plus B. Next, if the first number is negative and the second number is positive, all you need to do is to put the negative sign outside and add the two numbers, A plus B. So your answer will still be negative, but you added the two numbers. So later we will have examples about these rules. Next, how about if the two numbers are both negative and you are going to subtract? Of course, just follow the rules. Negative times negative is positive. So that will be negative plus positive. So you are using the rule of addition as well in subtracting monomials. So again, if the two numbers are both positive, you are going to change the sign of the second number. If it is positive, make it negative. If it is negative, make it positive. And change minus to plus. Next, here, if the second number is negative, as what I have said, this is negative, then change it to positive and change minus to plus. Next, if the first number is negative, minus positive. So they will be both negative. So you are going to copy negative outside and add or plus the two numbers. And the last one, if the two numbers are both negative, all you need to do is to multiply this one. Negative times negative is plus. So negative A plus positive B. So you are going to use the rule of addition. Example. Example, we have 6a squared b cubed minus 9a squared b cubed. So they are both positive, right? We are going to subtract them. So this will become 6a squared b cubed, change minus to plus, and since 9 is positive, you are going to make it negative. This one, do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, all right. And then subtract the coefficient. We are going to subtract the two coefficient and copy the variables. So what is 6 plus negative 9? What is 6 plus negative 9? I will ask someone. Patalawan. What is 6 plus negative 9?
-3.
Negative 3. And then we are going to copy the variables and exponent. So this will be your answer. Negative 3a squared b cubed. Do not forget the period. Okay, I always forget. Therefore, 6a squared b cubed minus 9a squared b cubed is equal to negative 3a squared b cubed. Another example. Okay, so we have negative 15p cubed q minus negative 20p cubed q. So both A and B are negative. So this is rule number 4 here. Okay, what do you think will be the next step? Chat, come on.
Yes, teacher.
What is the next step?
Negative 15 minus
Wait. We will change first. Negative 15 p cubed q, like this.
negative 15
P cubed q,
p cube
q. This will,
q
mhm. This will become
plus
plus. This will become
20
yes. Okay. So next step,
is equal to negative 15 plus 20
mhm.
and p cubed q
Correct. Next.
is equal to 5 p cubed q.
Correct. So therefore, final answer is 5p cubed q. Next, we have 19mn minus 25mn. Please answer this one. Now Wapas finished. Akira. Hello, Akira. Akira. Hello. No, Akira. Come on, one. Come on, one. Hello. No. Okay, talk. Hello, talk. Hello, talk.
Yes.
All right, answer the next example. 19mn minus 25mn.
Answer
Is,
is
equal to,
negative. This way.
you do step by step first. Talk before your final answer step by step, like this. I know that you already know the answer. Step by step.
Negative 6 mn.
Chai, I know. We know. Negative 6. Easy. But I want you to tell me the step by step. Here, first step is equal to?
First step
Chai, is equal
positive
to?
19 mn.
Change. This will become?
Change minus each part and 25
Yes.
is negative 25.
Very good. Negative 25. Next, we will combine Chai 19 and like
and
this.
and negative 25
Very good. Copy.
mn.
And your answer earlier is negative 6 mn. So very good. Next. So how about if we have 2 or more monomials, 3, 4, or 5 monomials? So let's have first example. You are going to use the same rules. Change the sign, minus to plus, change the next number, and then proceed to the rule of addition. So we have negative 4ab minus negative 5ab minus negative 9ab. What will be our next step for this? Saranrat, Te, are you here, Te? Yes. Saranrat, hello? Saranrat, hello? No? Okay. Ramida, please answer example 2. 2 or more monomials.
R.
What? Just do the same. We are going to change minus to plus. Change the next number.
Negative 4 MV past
Plus.
5 MV
ใช่ Very good. Plus.
past 9 MV.
Yes. Okay. Because negative, change this one to plus. Negative 5, change this to positive 5. Minus, change to plus. Negative 9, change to positive 9. Next, we are going to combine the coefficients. Proceed, Ramida. Combine the coefficients. Combine the coefficients first. Negative 4 plus
Negative 4 negative 4 5 past 9.
yes, negative 4 plus 5 plus 9. Copy. Copy what?
MV.
Next. What is negative 4 plus 5?
1.
Yes, negative 4 plus 5 is 1 plus 9.
10.
Yes. So your answer is
10 MV.
correct. So that is your final answer. Remember, if you are writing the conclusion, therefore, comma, copy the given and then equal to your final answer, and then do not forget the period at the end of the sentence. Next. Okay, please read and answer this one. Who else? Priyanuj. Hello, Priyanuj. Priyanuj. Hello? Priyanuj. No? Akira. Hello, Akira.
ปริยนุชอคิราไปไหนหมดคะปริยนุช absent นะ teacher อ๋อ
absent
ปริยนุชอ๋อนี่
ค่ะ
ปริยนุชนับ1 2 3อคิราคะไม่ตอบ next ค่ะ teacher
โอเคค่ะPichaya pa. Hello, Pichaya pa. No? Alright. Boss, Yatsapon.
อคิรา
Okay, boss will answer. First, you are going to change the sign. Minus, minus, minus. You change them to plus. Okay? Plus, and then 8 is positive. You change it to negative. Negative 13, you change it to positive 13. Positive 5, you change it to negative 5. What is our next step, boss? Boss? Step by step. 7 x
2
x squared y minus change minus to plus. Like this, minus change to plus.
minus change to plus.
This will become plus. Okay? Boss, okay. So plus. Next, positive 8 will become negative 8. Yes. x squared y.
Squared.
Next,
46
plus. Okay, plus.
minus
Oh, negative 13. Change.
x
Again.
negative 30 x
Bachai. This is negative 13. You change it. Negative to positive. Like this, boss. Listen. First, negative 8. So, minus, plus. Positive 8, negative 8. Minus, plus. Negative 13 will become positive
43 13
13.
13 x
Squared.
square root 2 y
May try square root. X squared.
x square 2
May try 2. X squared only. X squared.
x square y
Hi. Next.
put
Change.
plus
Plus.
x square
5.
5
Oh. Positive. This is positive.
positive 5
May try positive. This is positive 5.
negative
Again.
negative 5
Negative 5.
x square y
Okay, again, boss. Again, listen carefully and look at the numbers carefully. Copy 7x squared y. Okay? Copy. Minus, change to plus. Minus, change to plus. Positive 8 will become negative 8. Okay? Minus again, change to plus. Minus, change to plus. Negative 13 will become positive 13. You change the sign. So positive 13, x squared y. Minus, you change it to plus again. And positive 5, you change it, it will become negative 5. เข้าใจไหม boss? Yes or no?
yeah
Yes, okay. Next, we are going to combine the numbers. Numbers only, boss. We have 7, negative 8, 13, and negative 5. So we will combine all of them. Combine. Understood this one? And then you copy x squared y. Understood? Yes or no? Yes? Sure?
no
Okay. So you are going to combine the numbers, boss. The numbers. So we have 7, negative 8 plus negative 8 plus 13 plus negative 5. And then you copy x squared y because they are all x squared y. So you just need to write one, x squared y. Okay? Understood this one?
yeah
Yes. So now we are going to combine this one, boss. 7 plus negative 8 is equal to what? These two first. These two. 7 plus negative 8.
negative 1
Positive or negative?
negative
Negative 1.
What?
So this is negative 1 plus 13 is equal to
negative 12
negative 1 plus 13. 13 is bigger, positive. This is
positive
for
positive
positive what?
14
Oh, my child. Negative 1 plus 13.
12
If 12. Positive or negative?
positive
Positive, because 13 is bigger than 1 and 13 is positive, therefore your answer should be positive as well. So we are not yet done. So we are in 13. That is equal to 12 plus negative 5 is equal to what?
negative
12 plus negative 5. 12 is bigger. 12 is positive.
negative positive
Huh? You need to look at the sign of the bigger number. Which is bigger? 12 or 5?
12
12. 12 is positive. So your answer should be positive.
positive 7
Yes. Positive 7. So that is positive 7 copy x squared y. Do you understand, boss?
yes
Boss? Yes. All right. Another example. Please answer.
Yes, teacher.
Answer the next example.
Is equal to 15 PQ square
Cube. PQ cube.
PQ cube
Mhm.
plus negative 7 PQ cube minus negative 9
Change. You change.
plus
Uh-huh.
9 PQ cube
Uh-huh.
plus minus
Yes. Okay. Plus.
plus negative 5
Yes.
PQ cube
Very good. Next step.
is equal to 15 plus negative 7 plus 9 plus negative 5 PQ
Very good.
cube.
Very good. Next. Let's answer. Step by step. 15 plus negative 7.
15 plus negative 7 is equal to 8
Okay. Plus
plus
9.
9 is equal to 17.
Okay.
Plus negative 5
Uh-huh.
is equal to 12.
Yes. So your answer is
12 PQ cube.
very good. So 12 PQ cube. So therefore 15 PQ cube plus negative PQ cube minus negative 9 PQ cube minus 5 PQ cube is equal to 12 PQ cube. Do you understand, everybody? Students, do you understand how to add and subtract monomials?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, all right. Now, those are similar monomials. Now, how about if the two monomials are not similar? So here, the sum of or difference. When you say difference, this is subtraction. Okay, subtraction. When you say sum, it means addition. Okay, sum is for addition, difference is for subtraction. So the sum or difference of two or more non-similar monomials is a polynomial. For example, this one, we have 5a squared b. This is one monomial minus negative 4ab. This is another monomial. 7 is also a monomial, but they are not similar because they don't have the same variable and the same exponent. So your answer will just be 5a squared b, change the sign to plus, negative 4 will become positive 4ab plus 7. But you will not add. You will not add. You cannot because they are not similar. So this will just be your final answer. Okay, another example. Wait. Xy minus 10. Okay, hello. No echo. Okay, so again, this one, another example here. 8xy minus 10x. So this is one monomial. This is one monomial and another monomial is 10x. So xy, 10x. They are not similar because they don't have the same variable or the same exponent. So you just need to write 8xy minus 10x. So this will be your final answer. And that is polynomial. More than one term is polynomial. Only one term is a monomial. But if there are two or more terms, that is considered as polynomial. So these examples, when you add or subtract two non-similar monomials, your answer will be a polynomial. Another example, we have negative 5m squared n cubed minus negative 10m cubed n squared. They are not similar because look at the exponents. They are not the same. So you cannot add 5 or negative 5 and 10. Or you cannot subtract negative 5 from negative 10. You can just follow the rules. Change this to plus, minus, change to plus, negative 10 will be positive 10. And this will be your final answer. Because again, you cannot add the coefficients if the variables and the exponents are the same. You are just going to copy all the monomials, and that is your final answer. เข้าใจไหม? Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. So let's add or subtract this one. Just to one example. Number 1. 5a squared b plus 3a squared b. What is the answer? What is the answer? Just the final answer.
A raised to B.
Okay, number 2. Negative 9x squared yz plus 15x squared yz. What is the answer?
6x raised to 2y. Z.
Good. Next, negative 9m squared n plus negative 15m squared n. Answer?
Negative 24m raised to 2n.
Very good. Next, we have 17 over 5a cubed b cubed plus 19 over 5a cubed b cubed. Answer?
Third, 36 over 5 a raised to 3 b raised to 2.
Very good. Last, 15x squared plus negative 4x squared y plus negative 9x squared y. Answer?
2x raised to 2y.
Very good. So 2x raised to 2, 1. For subtraction, 8ab squared minus 15ab squared. Answer?
Negative 7ab raised to 2.
Very good. Number 2, negative 5 x squared y cubed z minus negative 15x squared y cubed z. Answer? This will be plus. So negative 5 plus 15. The negative 5x squared y cubed z, change minus to plus, negative 15 will become positive 15 x squared y cubed z. So negative 5 plus 15 is equal to what?
10 x
10.
raised to 2 y raised to 3 z.
All right. Number 3, negative 5m squared n cubed minus 8m squared n cubed. This is equal to?
Negative 13 m raised to 2 n raised to 3.
Very good.
Excuse me,
Last.
teacher.
Huh?
2
2
minutes time up.
minutes.
Okay.
All right. So I have a worksheet to be sent in line. I will just send it after my last class, around 12. Okay, I will send the worksheet in line. Just a